How to do, hairdos? We're down here at the woodyard. It is St. Patrick's Day.
Welcome to Carving with John Mahoney. We're here today. It's St. Patrick's Day. We're gonna get a little beer mug out of this baby. We're gonna have ourselves a good time while being safe. Now you know what to do. Sit down, carve yourself a beer mug, and pop open a nice ice cold cherry tree cola. Yeah, baby. Ah, nothing like a cherry tree cola in the afternoon. Well, that's all from Woodhill Firewood. Happy St. Patrick's Day. You take care now.